In the previous class, I had solved exercise 6.1, that is from first problem to 17th problem. There in between I had given few problems for homework. So those problems now I will be solving it on the board. Just see whether whatever answer you have got, it is right or wrong. So almost I have written the 10th question here on the board. So it is like x by 3 is greater than x by 2 plus 1. So we need to solve this question. X by 3 minus x by 2 is greater than 1. Okay, taking LCM, it will be 6, 3, 2s are 6, 2 3s are, which is nothing but 2x minus 3x is greater than 1. Minus x divided by 6 is greater than 1. So take 6 to RHS, so it will be minus x is greater than 6. So as we are having negative variable, that is minus x, we need to get x variable value. So just multiplying both the side by negative sign. So it will be minus of minus x is greater than. So inequality sign will change here, it will become less than minus 6, which is nothing but x is less than minus 6. Therefore, the solution set is, so it is for minus 6, which is nothing but less than, which means it tends towards minus infinity. So it will be minus infinity open interval, comma, minus 6 open interval. Okay, this is a solution for this answer. Now let us move on with the next question. So next question is whole divided by 5 is less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus 6 whole divided by 3. Okay, now let us solve this question. It is same method. Just multiply 3 inside in LHS, so it will be 3x minus 3 2s are 6 whole divided by 5 is less than or equal to 5 2s are 10 minus 5x whole divided by 3. So just send whichever is there in the denominator, that is 3 in the denominator RHS, just send it to LHS, and 5 in the denominator in the LHS, send it to RHS. So when we cross multiply, 3 into 3x minus 6 is less than or equal to 5 into 10 minus 5x. 3 3s are 9x minus 3 6s are 18 is less than or equal to 5 10s are 50 minus 25x. Now taking variables one side, 9x plus 25x is less than or equal to plus 50 plus 18. So as we have taken variables one side and numericals one side, so 9 plus 25x is nothing but what? 36x is less than or equal to 50 plus 18. We are getting 68. So x is less than or equal to 68 divided by 36. So 36 how much is 68? It is nothing but 2s are. So x is less than or equal to 2. Therefore, the solution set is minus infinity, because as it is less than or equal to, and equal to sign. So 2 will be enclosed with a closed bracket. Fine. So it will be from minus infinity to 2. Is it clear? Hope you have understood. Now let us move on with the next problem. So I think the 12th one already had told you all how to solve. Yes, in the previous previous video. So now I will be moving on with the 13th problem. Minus 10 is less than 6 into x minus 2. So, to multiply 2 inside, 2 2s are 4x plus 2 3s are 6 minus 10 is less than or equal to 6x minus 12. Sorry, it is not less than. It is not less than. It is only less than. Okay. So you will be getting here 4x plus 10. Plus 6 minus 10. So you will be getting your answer. Minus 4 is less than 6x minus 12. Take variables one side. So 6x, 4x minus 6x is less than minus 12 plus 4. Here we will be getting 6 minus 4 is nothing but what? Minus 2. X is less than, we will be getting minus 8. It is minus 12 plus 4 minus 8. X is less than minus 8 by 2 1s are 2 4s are. So minus x is less than minus 4. Okay. So what we are going to do? Multiplying both this side by negative side. Minus of minus 6 is greater than minus of minus 4. So it will be x greater than 4. Therefore, the solution set is open interval 4. As it is greater than, it moves towards plus infinity. This is the. So let us move on with the next problem. That is the 14th one. 37 minus 3x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 9x minus 8 into, we need to simplify 37 minus into plus is nothing but minus 3x, minus into plus is minus 5 is greater than or equal to 9x minus, multiply 8 inside. So 8 into x is nothing but 8x minus into minus is plus, 8 3s are 24. So here it is plus 37 and minus 5. So I think you will be getting here plus 32 minus 3x is greater than or equal to, here it is 9x minus 8x, we will be getting x plus 24. Now taking variables one side, so minus 3x minus x is greater than or equal to plus 24 minus 32. So this simplification is nothing but minus 4x is greater than or equal to minus 8, 24 minus 32 is nothing but minus 8. So x minus x is greater than or equal to minus 8 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. So minus x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So I said whenever we are having negative variable, we should make it a positive variable by using the rule 3, which is nothing but multiplying both sides by negative sign. Minus of minus x is less than or equal to minus of minus 2. minus infinity, comma 2 plus b. So the question is x by 4 is less than 5x minus 2 whole divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 whole divided by 5. So x by 4 in LHS I keep it as it is. So we'll be taking LCM. So what is the LCM here? 3 and 5. It is nothing but 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Next, no, multiply 5 inside. 5 5s are 25x minus 5 2s are 10 minus 7 3s are 21x minus into minus is nothing but plus 3 3s are 9. X by 4 is less than 25x minus 21, which is nothing but 4x minus 10 plus 9, which is nothing but minus 1 whole divided by 15. Now just cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, it will be 15x is less than 4. It is multiplied inside. So it will be 15x is less than 4 4s are 16x, 4 1s are 4. So take variables one side. So it will be 15x minus 16x is less than minus 4, which is nothing but 15x minus 16x will be getting negative variable, that is minus 6 is less than minus 4. Now as we have got negative on LHS and RHS, both the sides, what we will be doing? Using rule 3 we will be multiplying both the side by negative sign. So when I multiply both the sides by a negative sign, what I will be getting here? Minus of minus 6. So inequality sign will change. It will become greater. Minus of minus 4. So it will be minus into minus is nothing but plus. When x is greater than plus 4. As it is minus and minus, it will become positive. Therefore, the solution set is open interval 4, as it is greater than, it is moving towards plus infinity. 3x minus 2 whole divided by 4 minus of 2 minus x whole divided by 5. This is the question. So when we need to simplify LHS, I keep it as it is. So it will be 2x divided by 3 is greater than equal to LCM of these two. 4 5s are nothing but 20. 4 5s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Multiply 5 inside. So it will be 3 5s are 15x minus 5 2s are 10 minus, as it is 4 2s are 8 minus into minus is nothing but plus 4x. Okay. Next, 2x minus 1 whole divided by 3 is greater than equal to 15x plus 4x. You will be getting here 19x minus 10 minus 8 is nothing but minus 18 whole divided by 20. Now just cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, here we will be getting LHS as 20 into 2x minus 1 is greater than equal to 3 into 19x minus, now multiply 20 inside. So it will be 20 into 2 is nothing but 40x minus 20 is greater than equal to 3 19 is nothing but 57x minus 3 18 is nothing but 54. Now just take variables one side. It will be 40x minus 57x is greater than equal to minus 54 minus 25, take it to RHS will become plus 20. So when I simplify these two variables, I will be getting minus 17x is greater than equal to 64 plus 20, which is nothing but minus 34. So 17 you take it to RHS, so minus 6 is greater than or equal to minus 34 divided by 17. So minus 6 is greater than or equal to minus 2. 17 2 is nothing but 34. So multiply both the side by negative sign. Minus of minus 6 is less than or equal to, inequality sign will change. So it will become x is less than or equal to 2. Therefore, the solution set is, as it is less than, it will be moving towards minus infinity comma 2. Less than or equal to means it will be the 18th. I have already solved in the previous video, so I will just go on with the 18th one. So 18th one, there 17, 18, 19 and 20 we need to draw a graph, that is graphical solution of linear inequalities of one variable. So the 18th question is phi x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. Now just take variables one side, it will be phi x plus 3x. When it goes to LHS, it will become minus 3x is greater than or equal to minus 5 plus 3. So here you will be getting 2x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So x is greater than or equal to minus 2 divided by 2. So you will be getting here x is greater than or equal to minus 1. Therefore, the solution set is, so it is closed interval minus 1. Positive means infinity, it will be open interval. So whenever you are writing positive infinity, it will be towards the right hand side. If you are writing minus infinity, it will be towards the left hand side. Hope you have understood this. Now we need to represent this inequality on a graph. So as it is minus 1, it moves towards positive side of plus infinity. And just check here, it is greater than or equal to, so it will be a shared circle. That is 3 into 1 minus 6 is less than 2 into x plus 4. Now multiply 3 inside, so it will be 3 ones are 3 minus 3x is less than 2x plus 2 fours are 8. So just take the variables one side, minus 3x minus 2x is less than plus 8 minus 3. So here it will be minus 5x is less than plus 5. Therefore, x is less than 5 divided by 5. So 5 will get cancelled, minus x it is. So minus x is less than 1. Multiplying both the side by negative sign. So minus of minus x, inequality sign will change, it will become greater than minus 1. So x is greater than minus 1. Therefore, the solution set is minus 1 up till plus infinity. This is the answer. Now let us move on to the 20th problem. X by 2 is greater than or equal to. So the previous problem, I already said we have to draw a number line. and here it is greater than, so it will not be a shaded circle. Okay, the next one, 5x minus 2 whole divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 whole divided by 5. This is the question. So x by 2, and just keep it as it is on the left hand side. Now just take the LCM, which is nothing but 15. 3 5s are 5 3s are 15. Just multiply 5 inside. 5 5s are 25x minus 5 2s are 10 minus 7 3s are 21x minus into minus plus 9. So x by 2 is greater than or equal to. So here plus 25 minus 21 you will be getting 4x minus 10 plus 9, which is nothing but minus 1 whole divided by 15. Cross multiply, it will be 15x is greater than or equal to 2 into 4x minus 1. So 15x is greater than or equal to 2 4s are 8x minus 2 1s are 2. So just take variables one side. When we take variables one side, so just take variables one side, it will be 15x minus 8x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So 15 minus 8x is nothing but 7x is greater than or equal to minus 2. X is greater than or equal to minus 2 divided by 7. Therefore, the solution set is closed interval minus 2 by 7. Why closed interval? As it is greater than or equal to. If it was greater than, we would have considered only open interval. So it is moving towards plus infinity. So it will be open interval. Draw the number line. So it will be 0, minus 1, minus 2, till minus infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus infinity. So minus 2 by 7, I think you will be getting approximately there 0.28. So it will be a shaded circle because it is greater than or equal to. So the values moves up till plus infinity. This is nothing but minus 2 by 7. This is the solution of the 20th one. Now let us move on to the next problem. Let us solve the 21st problem. So already the question I have written on the board. So what does the question say that Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first two tests. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third test to have an average of at least 60 marks. So he must get either 60 or he might get even more than 60. So what I will be considering the statement as, let Ravi get X marks in the third test. As we know the first and the second test marks, so directly I am considering what? The third test as X. Now just write down, we need to find out what the average. So 70 plus 75 plus X whole divided by 3. Remember, whenever we are taking average of the marks, how many marks are there? Whole divided by that term 3, greater than or equal to, here you can see at least 60. So if it might be, he might get even 60 or he might get even more than 60. Now just cross multiply. So what are we getting here? 70 plus 75x is nothing but 145 plus x is greater than or equal to, just multiply 3, 3 6 are 18, which is nothing but 180. Keep variables one side and numericals, you just send it to RHS, so it will be 180 minus 145. X is he might get 35 or he might get even more than 35. See, always remember whenever they give at least 60, so it means that they must get 60 or even more than 60. For that reason, what I will be considering here? I will be considering here greater than equal to. Okay. If suppose if it is less than 60, then I will be considering less than 60. You might be thinking, why I have written here greater than equal to? The statement itself states here average of at least 60 marks. So when we want to know the average of at least 60 marks, we will be considering equal to 60 or at least greater than equal to 60. Fine. So when we want to know the average, the first test how much he has got 70 marks and the next test he has got 75. The third test we don't know. For that reason I have considered x. So we need to consider their addition, because when we add and later simplify we will be getting the x value. Fine. So when we add the first ut and the second one together, then whole divided by 3. Why I have considered whole divided by 3? As it is asked here in the question, average marks. So whenever if in this question it is given as 2 marks and plus the third one we have to find out. So I took it as whole divided by 3. If it is like 5 marks are given and the sixth one you need to find out. So 5 marks plus x whole divided by 5. If it is 10 marks plus the 11th one you need to find out. The 11 marks you need to write with a positive sign and plus x whole divided by 11. Is it clear? Based on the number of marks given, so much average you will be taking, that is whole divided by 3. So keep it in your mind whenever it is the statement problems. First we will try to convert the statement problems into inequalities and later we will simplify and find the x variable. So here I am not drawing the graph is because the question about the graph linear inequality of one variable, it is not asked here. So only we have found either you might get 35 marks or at least more than 35. Hope you have understood this one statement problem. Okay students, thank you. Let us meet in the next class.